To add a new memory jar to your shelf, click the plus icon. Click on any thumbnail to see a preview, and click the preview to save a jar. Then title your jar. This will allow more options. Next, decide if you want to lock your jar. If the jar is locked, each memory jammed is pickled until the best if used by date expires. If the jar is transparent, you'll see a cucumber. When the jar is within 3 days of unlocking, the cucumber will ripen into a pickle. And when the jar unlocks, each memory jammed is served in a slideshow for you and your pack to relish. You can tag friends, you can invite friends to jam, and if you need to delete a jar, click the trash icon, click delete this jar, and in all capital letters type delete jar. This action is permanent, so be careful. Then click confirm.